Have you ever wondered what would happen if, in an instant, everything around you changed? Picture yourself on a familiar street, surrounded by faces you know, when suddenly, a bright light shines down on you, and a soft whisper resonates in your soul. What would you do if you knew your future was about to change completely? It's a question that echoes vibrantly in the deepest corners of your being, and may hold the key to your transformation. The signs from angels are subtle yet powerful. They manifest in small details: a feather found on the ground, a symphony of bells in the distance, or a thought that arises out of nowhere. These moments are not mere coincidences. They are divine messages, invitations for you to look beyond what your eyes can see. The angels want to connect, to guide you on your journey, revealing that there is a brighter path ahead of you. Are you ready to listen? But what if you find yourself trapped in a cycle of doubts and fears? What happens when hope feels distant, when the shadows of the past whisper that you are unworthy of a bright future? You may feel paralyzed, like you are standing on the edge of an abyss, hesitating to take the next step. These emotional barriers may seem insurmountable, but remember, every challenge is a disguised opportunity. The angels are by your side, waiting for you to recognize your strength. Now imagine that, at this very moment, the true revelation begins to unfold. What if I told you that all these signs, all these doubts, are converging into a single truth? The angels are not just trying to show you what to do. They are here to remind you that you are capable of anything. That real change begins within you. And that this change is the key to the future you have always desired. The transformation you seek is not in external circumstances, but in the courage to free yourself from the chains that bind you. So, I ask you, are you willing to take action? To look within and confront your shadows? To embrace your light? Love and happiness do not wait. This is your call, your final warning. Life is brief, and opportunities do not repeat themselves. Will you allow fear to dictate your choices, or will you take the reins of your story? What you do now may be the first step toward the life you have always dreamed of. The choice is yours. The moment is now. Have you ever stopped to notice the little details that surround your life? The whispers of the wind, the way the clouds gather in the sky, or even a number that keeps appearing in your routine. These are not mere coincidences. They are signs, subtle messages from the angels surrounding us, ready to guide our steps. However, we often become so absorbed in our daily worries that we ignore these celestial communications. Angels manifest in various ways, using symbols and synchronicities to reveal hidden truths in our lives. A bird crossing your path just as you are about to make an important decision, a song playing at exactly the moment you need courage, or even a vivid dream that leaves you feeling clear upon waking. Each of these events carries a powerful message, an invitation for you to pay attention, to connect with the divine. Meanwhile, it's common for doubts and fears to arise. You might feel lost, questioning whether you truly deserve guidance from the angels or if you are worthy of their blessings. Fears that stem from uncertainty, from a lack of self-confidence, and from your choices. You may ask yourself, what if I'm just imagining these messages? What if they're not real? These anxieties can create a barrier to your ability to perceive the true intentions of the universe. This is where revelation becomes a turning point. What if I told you that these signs are not just trying to soothe you, but they are an urgent call to action? The universe doesn't communicate without reason. Each sign is a disguised opportunity, a reminder that you are not alone. And more importantly, that you have the power to shape your destiny. The angels are by your side, waiting for you to open your eyes and see the possibilities unfolding before you. Now, the decision is yours. You can remain in the inertia of fear or allow yourself to dive into the unknown, with the certainty that you are being guided. Love and abundance are waiting for you, but they require courage to be embraced. Ask yourself, what am I willing to risk to follow the path that the angels are showing me? Love does not wait. It is a constant invitation to action. Will you act now, or will you spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? The choice is in your hands. The universe awaits your answer. Have you ever felt lost in a labyrinth, surrounded by invisible walls that seem to suffocate your freedom? The echo of your insecurities resonates in your mind, like a persistent whisper, questioning your choices, your strength, and even your capacity to love. In this space, where the light of hope seems distant, doubt transforms into a shadow, obscuring your path to fulfillment. Angels are always around you, ready to guide you. They manifest in subtle signs, like a gentle breeze brushing against your face or a symphony of repeated numbers that make you stop and reflect. These signs are more than mere coincidences. They are divine messages revealing that you are not alone. Every time you feel lost, the angels send a light of guidance, a reminder that the spiritual connection is alive. The question is, are you willing to listen? However, when fear sets in, your vision becomes clouded. Insecurity makes you hesitate, leading to a cycle of emotional paralysis. You may be facing decisions that could transform your life, but the voice of fear is deafening. What if you fail? What if no one understands? What happens if you allow yourself to love? These thoughts can act like invisible chains, binding you to a place of comfort but also of stagnation. You find yourself at the edge of an abyss, where the desire cries out for freedom, but fear screams for safety. What if I told you that this internal struggle is not just a sign of weakness, but a disguised divine opportunity? The real shock is not in the intensity of your fear, but in the realization that it could be the key to your transformation. The angels don't just want you to find courage. They want you to understand that true strength emerges when you choose to face your fears. Your final warning is not about giving up, but about rising up. The chance to change your destiny is closer than you think. All you need to do is take the first step, even if it is hesitant. Now, the question that echoes in your soul is, are you willing to confront your insecurities? Love doesn't wait for a perfect moment. It thrives in the midst of vulnerability. Think carefully. Will you continue to allow yourself to be held captive by your emotions, or will you embrace uncertainty and discover the beauty that exists in the journey? The choice is yours. And remember, angels are always by your side, ready to guide you, as long as you choose to take a step toward the light. Have you ever found yourself looking up at the sky, hoping that the clouds might bring answers to your deepest questions? That moment when a gentle breeze touches your face, almost like a whisper from the universe, making you feel that something greater is at play? Perhaps behind that feeling, there is an angelic presence waiting to guide you on your journey. Spiritual signs are more than mere coincidences. They manifest in small details, a song that plays at just the right time, a repeated number that appears on your path, or even a vivid dream that seems to carry a hidden message. These moments are like shining beacons, sent by your angels, revealing that you are not alone. They are here, ready to help, but you must be willing to listen. However, doubt can be an overwhelming burden. You may feel lost in a sea of insecurities, with fears that seem insurmountable. What should you do? How can you know if you are on the right path? Uncertainty can become a maze, where every corner brings more questions than answers. What if your angels aren't really by your side? What if all these messages were just products of your imagination? What if I told you that the true revelation lies in understanding that you are the key to your own transformation? The angels are not just trying to show you what to do. They are here to remind you of the power that resides within you. The change you long for does not come from the outside, but from a deep inner awakening. Every sign you receive is a call to look within, to recognize your strength and courage. Now, imagine a life where you are no longer a prisoner of fear, where doubts can no longer silence your inner voice. What would happen if you decided to take action? If you left behind the uncertainties and took a step toward what you truly desire? Love does not wait. But the big question is, will you act now or spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? This is your moment. This is your final warning. The choice is yours. Have you ever felt a deep emptiness, as if a part of you was getting lost in the chaos of life? Life feels like a senseless dance, and you wonder, what is really happening here? Now, imagine a moment when, in the silence of your solitude, you hear a whisper. A soft voice echoing in your soul, reminding you that everything has a purpose. This is the beginning of your journey. The journey that the angels have for you. Spiritual signs are like small beacons in the darkness. They can manifest in various forms: a white feather appearing out of nowhere, a repeated number showing up in your darkest hours, or a song playing just when you need to hear it. These signs are messages from the angels, guiding you and showing you that you are not alone. They want you to know that there is a truth waiting to be revealed, a truth that, if accepted, can change the course of your life. However, even in the face of these divine revelations, you may feel paralyzed. Fears and doubts start to plague your mind. What will happen if you open yourself up to these messages? What if the changes you desire don't come to pass? The fear of the unknown can be a powerful barrier, trapping you in a cycle of uncertainty. What you need to understand is that this fear is just a shadow, an illusion. True transformation comes when you choose to face the light. What if I told you that the bitter truth is, in fact, a gift in disguise? The revelation you fear could be the liberation you crave. The angels aren't just trying to warn you about the dangers around you, they're also pointing out the opportunities within your reach. They whisper that change is within your grasp, but you need to take the first step. Life doesn't wait, and every moment is precious. The truth is that often, what you fear the most is what you need to confront the most. Now, reflect on this. The choice is in your hands. Will you allow yourself to live the life you truly want, or will you remain shackled by the chains of fear and doubt? Remember, love and truth do not wait. This is your moment. What will you do with it? The time to act is now. Look within and decide, will you embrace your truth, even if it hurts, or will you forever question what could have been? The decision is yours. Have you ever stopped to think that your fears might be the keys that unlock doors to new realities? Imagine yourself in a dark hallway where each door represents a possibility, but you hesitate, paralyzed by the unknown. What lies on the other side? What will you leave behind if you choose to move forward? Angels are always around you, whispering forgotten truths. They send subtle signs, a song playing at just the right moment, a white feather appearing in your path, or even a vivid dream that feels too real. These little moments are the universe's invitations for you to look closer, to understand that fear is merely a shadow, not your destiny. They reveal that transformation is within your reach, waiting for you to take the first step. But oh, how easy it is to get lost in the labyrinths of doubt. You may feel trapped in a cycle of insecurity, thinking you're not capable. What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? These thoughts echo like screams in your mind, creating a storm that blurs your vision. You wonder, what will happen if I dare? In this internal battle, fear becomes an insurmountable wall, and you find yourself paralyzed in your choices. Now, take a deep breath. What if I told you that true transformation begins right at that point of conflict? When you allow yourself to feel the fear without letting it control your life, something magical happens. You realize that this fear, this resistance, is actually a sign that something grand is about to be revealed. What if the angels aren't just trying to show you that your fear is real, but rather that it's your last chance to act before the opportunity slips away? The unknown that you fear might be the door to the life you've always wanted. So the question laid before you is, will you have the courage to face your fears and open that door? Love, happiness, opportunities, they won't wait. They hide behind that first door you hesitate to open. What will you do now? Will you remain in that dark hallway, or will you take the crucial step toward the light? Remember, transformation begins with a decision. The choice is yours. Have you ever stopped to listen to the whisper of your own soul? Amidst the chaos of everyday life, there exists an echo, a gentle voice that insists on being heard. Do you feel it? It's as if a light breeze is brushing against your face, bringing with it a message of hope and transformation. This is the presence of angels, who, with tenderness, are trying to guide you along a path of self-discovery and renewal. Divine signs can manifest in various forms. A repeated number, a white feather beside you, or a vivid dream that lingers in your mind. These little miracles are invitations for you to pay attention. They want you to know that you are not alone. There is a greater force that watches over you, cares for you, and desires for you to find your true purpose. Each sign is an open window into your essence, an opportunity to connect with what truly matters. Yet, amidst this connection, doubts arise. Fears settle in like shadows, obscuring your vision. What happens if you dare to follow this calling? What if change feels uncomfortable? Sometimes, the unknown seems scarier than the reality we already know. You may feel the pressure of the past, the expectations of others, and the hesitation that blocks your heart. It is normal to fear transformation, but it's essential to remember that these fears are merely passing clouds in a vast blue sky. What if I told you that true transformation begins the moment you decide to act? The revelation that the angels bring is profound. They are not here just to show you what you should do, but to remind you that you already possess within yourself the strength needed to change your life. The key lies in your willingness to take the first step. The love, peace, and fulfillment you seek are not in a distant future. They are available now, waiting for you. You are more powerful than you imagine, and what appears to be an obstacle may, in fact, be an opportunity in disguise. Now, it's time to decide. What will you do with this newfound understanding of your path? Life is fleeting, and each lost moment becomes an opportunity that never returns. The angels are here, ready to support you, but you need to open your heart and take the first step. Love doesn't wait. It's not satisfied with empty promises. The big question is, will you act now, or will you spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? The choice is yours, and the moment is now. Transformation begins within you. Awaken to this truth.